How about the beach? Yeah, that beach renourishment project looking like it's getting fairly well used out there with that live look in Emerald Isle through the Bogue Inlet Pier Cam, eilivesurf.com and Shoreline. We are going to be checking in with lots of sunshine around today. Now, not quite as bright and sunny tomorrow, but still not all that bad. We've got temps in the low 70s along the coast, low 80s for inland spots. Not a cloud to be seen in the sky for us out there. Temperatures already 4, 5, 6 degrees warmer today than where we were this time yesterday. Watch on Future Track here. Today could go down as the warmest day of the year so far. Deep inland spots like Kinston, Greenville, Williamson, Windsor, Kenansville, possibly even Jacksonville, getting into that low, if not even mid 80s. We'll talk about mid 70s along the coastal areas. Those temperatures dropping this evening if you are going to be, say, cooking out or going out for dinner. You'll notice definitely much cooler coming in here across Terrell, Hyde, Dare, Washington County. That's because we've got a little front that's slipping southbound here. And as a result of that, that's going to switch those winds around just a little bit to bring that cooler air in for us here. Mainly clear skies overnight tonight. Very similar, if not even a little bit warmer than where we were this morning at mid to upper 50s to near that 60-degree mark with, again, lots of clear skies for the overnight hours for us here. Upper level ridge still holding tight for us here. This high pressure centered down near Jacksonville, Florida, but this is our next weather maker. Now, it's going to be slow progress to the east, but you can see that spin in the atmosphere back here across Kansas and Nebraska. That's the upper level low that is going to take its old sweet time crossing off of our coast as we head on in through this weekend. Again, we've got that little front that's dropped in from the north that's going to continue to sink its way off to the southwest as we head through the evening hours here. And that's going to be a big difference as far as those temperatures are concerned tomorrow. Look, once you get north of the Tar Pamlico River across the Albemarle Sound counties, 60s to maybe near 70s there. Meanwhile, we're talking about upper 70s to low 80s further off to the south and the west. Those clouds will gradually thicken up and increase. Tomorrow, though, is going to be dry. Brian's already been getting a lot of calls from the football coaches and ADs wanting to move their games, and I can guarantee them tomorrow night it's going to be dry. Can't guarantee that on Friday night, as we are going to be, by the afternoon, tracking some scattered showers and thunder showers around. But again, those temperatures stay on the mild side into the 70s, even going into the weekend. Now, the weekend's not going to be a total washout, but we are going to be tracking scattered showers and thunder showers around in the afternoon hours here, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. Then we'll gradually clear those skies out, but stay on the mild side even for the early part of next week.